I'm a web developer who wears the IT hat in the office, about 70 employees. I'm sure there are things that I'm doing that are not fully optimal. Our new workstation workflow currently involves manually configuring a local admin account, installing the JumpCloud agent, installing required software, and finally associating a user and device group within JumpCloud. Some settings and software are automatically deployed. I'm interested to know more about zero-touch deployment and whether it would be possible within our environment. Go.
Okay. So we've made some changes to our commands product that I think are actually going to help you out a lot. Starting at the very end of the year, we announced the ability for you to create commands that are only run at enrollment on every device that enrolls in JumpCloud. And so that if you have software that's really not meant for installation through using the software management tool, and you really need to script it because it's got license keys or it's got other steps that you need to go through, or it's not in a package form, it's only in a zip, and so you need to write a command to actually do those installs. You can, at that point, create an enrollment command for devices, and then any device that comes through automated device enrollment can be joined to a specific group, which in turn receives software management items, so the key pieces of software that are distributed in packages or distributed through Apple's volume purchase program. And then also you can create enrollment commands so that if, for example, you have CrowdStrike Falcon, which is my favorite example because they're a great JumpCloud partner, and it's really good software. It's really good security software that's not intrusive, that's not gross, and it definitely, doesn't have the huge kind of a performance impacts that some of the other security tools do. You can, at that point, deliver a command that installs Falcon on the system and provisions it to your environment using an API key. And so that command can be run on every Mac that enrolls in your environment. So you can pre-assign policies based on automated device enrollment groups. You can pre-assign users through the usage of the authenticated enrollment, so that any user that goes that gets that machine, if you unbox the laptop and join it to the network so that it gets its device management setup process, that's an authenticated process using JumpCloud IDs. So that, I have to sign in with tbridge at jumpcloud.com. And then when you sign in with that spot, I have to use my JumpCloud credentials to get in. Otherwise, you don't go through that process. At the end of the process, I get a bound user, which is great for handling user-based tasks. I get all of the needed password syncing stuff handled in that same process. I get any enrollment commands that are assigned to my platform, and I get any group-based policies that are assigned to my automated device enrollment group, which means I can get my file vault policy, and it's actually, that's the best way to get file vault onto a machine, because it is provisioned and encrypted before the user even gets to their desktop. Because it's not optional, you have to get that done. It's a great time to get that done, so the user doesn't have to log out and log back in. So there are a lot of great ways to handle this. JumpCloud's got a lot of really great onboarding experiences as a result of these provisioning commands, as well as commands that can be assigned to the device.
That's awesome. Thank you, Tom. Thank you.
Please subscribe and check out more content from us.